a royal priesthood, a holy nation, God's own special people, that you may proclaim the praises of Him who called you out of darkness into His marvelous light. And I love that verse so much because, did you hear that first line? Did you hear what it says? It says, but you are the chosen generation. Guys, do you get that that is you? Do you get that that is you? Do you get that God has chosen you to live now for such a time as this, to go out into this world, and you are called to shake things up a little bit, and you are called to change the world, and you are called to make history? How about we start living and we have a calling on our life, because God has something so amazing for you in your life. God has something amazing for you to be in your life. But you know, we get so comfortable as Christians. We love our nice, comfortable little lives. And we sit back in our nice, lovely churches and we complain about everything that's wrong in this world, but we never have the guts to do anything about it. God, we need to be the change that we are to see in this world that needs to be us. God, stop waiting for some great movement to happen. And why don't we have the courage to start the movement? You're just not on this earth to take up some space, okay? Let's get that covered here now. God didn't put you here for no good reason. When God put you here on this earth, He put something inside of your life, and your goal, your purpose in your life is to find out why you are here. Guys, who are you? Who is God calling you to be in this life? Are you brave enough to find out why God put you here? Are you brave enough to find that out? And not only that, are you brave enough to actually live it out? Are you brave enough to live out the calling that God has for you in your life? Because you know it's not easy following God. Let's just say it. Because a lot of times He will how you do things that people will look at you and be like, seriously?